How to use article a and the. And use vowel letter like a, e, I, o, u. Or use consonant letter like b, c, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, q, r, s, t, v, w, x, y, z. So the use a specific kind or unique which is only one in the world. So let's start in example. So question number 1 dot 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 teacher. So starting letter is t, so t is consonant letter, so or teacher. So question number 2 dot 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 umbrella. Starting letter is u, so u is vowel letter, so u vowel letter always use n, so n umbrella. So question number 3 dot 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 earth. Starting is e, so e is vowel letter, but earth is only one in the world, so this is a specific kind, so use the earth. So question number 4 dot 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 sky. Sky is also a specific kind or it is unique in the world, so the sky. So question number 5 dot 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 European. So the starting letter is e, so it is also called vowel letter, but European means pronounces is European, so u starting letter is u, so an European. So question number 6 dot 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 university. Starting letter is u, so it is also called vowel letter, but pronounces is university. U is hide university, so it goes to be consonant letter. So use consonant letter, use a, so a university. So question number 7 dot 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 wool. So starting letter is o, so o is vowel letter, so vowel letter use n wool. So question number 8 dot 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 Himalayas. Starting letter is h, so h is consonant letter, but Himalayas is only one in the world, it is also called a specific kind, so always use the, which is a specific kind, so the Himalayas. Question number 9 dot 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 idea. Starting letter is I, so I is vowel letter, so vowel letter always use n, so n idea. Question number 10, and this is the last question of this video. So dot 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 orange. Starting letter is o, so o is vowel letter, so use always n, so n orange. Thank you so much for watching this video.